Question 6. Which of 2/5 or 5/8 is closer to a half? You must show your working. Remember, this is a non-calculator paper, and we're specifically told to show your working. So if you hazard a guess and you say, oh, I think it's going to be 2/5, then you'll get 0 marks even if that was the right answer. So the first thing we need to do when we're making comparisons is we need to have a common denominator. So if we had all these over the same denominator, we could then see which one is closer. So looking at 5 and 8, a common denominator would be 40. So I'm going to write all these fractions over 40. So a half, well, 2 times 20 makes 40. So 1 times 20 is 20. So a half is the same as 20 over 40. 5 times 8 makes 40, so I need to do 2 times 8, and 8 times 5 makes 40, so I need to do 5 times 5. So whatever you do to the bottom, do to the same to the top. So 2 times 8 is 16. 5 times 5 is 25. So these are now the fractions I'm comparing, and I'm saying which one is closest to this. So I can see that this fraction here is 4/40ths away from that, because 16 up to 20 is 4. And this one is 5/40ths away from this one, because 25 take away 20 gives me 5. So therefore this one is closer, and this fraction corresponded to 2/5. So 2/5 is the right answer, but unless you show these parts, you won't get any marks at all. If we have a look at the mark scheme, just to confirm this, so on question 5C, not 5C, question 6, you get your mark for that, but you must see it working. If you wrote 16 over 40 or 25 over 40 or 20 over 40, you get 1 mark. And if you've done all 3, then you get the second mark. So you get 1 mark for getting 1 fraction correct, 1 mark for getting all 3 fractions correct, 1 mark for saying 2/5.